So you guys have to see this is a 100% do follow social bookmarking backlink. Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you the one website where we have to create a backlink. Probably this website can providing a do follow backlink, and the second thing is this is a bookmarking submission website. Okay, so you guys have to see this website having a 50 domain rating, and now we can go into this explore some other things. So we can going to check overall traffic and the other source. So this website having a 7.2k total visitors, and you guys can analyze the category ranking, and now we can move forward for the country basis users. So this website having a traffic from India, Pakistan, Australia, United Arab, France, and other countries. So you guys can want to attract a audience from that kind of countries. So you guys have to publish your article to targeted any countries. Okay. So I hope you're all R&D process it will be going to complete now. So now we can going to move forward for the backlink creation. So this is a website where we can going to click for the register if we are new in this website. So now we can going to choose a username. Now we can going to verify the captcha. Yeah, so our profile is created now. You guys have to optimize your profile. Okay, we'll check they can send us any verification email or not. I'm not sure they're going to send us. Okay. So now we can going to add a public email. So this is our public email home page. We can going to put a home page real name Alex J. Occupation multi-factored company. Because these keywords are important for our landing page, so now we're going to use a anywhere. Location is Canada, and if you guys are having these information, then you guys have to fill this information. Then we can going to move forward further, save changes, and then we'll see the R only. Okay, so now we can going for the click to submit a URL, and there is a option story title. You guys have to add your story title tags. You can going to use a same description. Okay, so okay guys, bye bye, take care. Now we'll meet again tomorrow. Okay, then we have generated this description. Now we're going to verify the captcha. Many happy you are nice returns. Now we can click for the save changes, and we'll see the our backlink is live now. This is our landing page URL, and you can going to check in incognito tab. Yeah, we have live now. And then I can going to show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys have to see this is a 100% do follow social bookmarking backlink. So now that is a great thing. So we have a live now. So if you guys are having anything concern, okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and we have completed the all process. um I'm not sure if you guys are having anything concern, any doubt, any suggestion for me. So you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section, And the last thing I wanted to request with you guys, one thing, that things I'm doing for the all videos. So if you guys can want to help me something or want to connect with me, so you guys can hit the subscribe button, because these things can motivate me for to create a rapidly videos for you.